Shedding of surface moisture from the outer windshield surface is critically important in providing optimal poor weather visibility. Proper windshield maintenance should include periodic reapplication of the rain repellent coating. The following is a visual training aid that should be used in conjunction with the written procedure contained in the rain repellent coating application guide. Prior to beginning, operators should become familiar with the materials, written instructions, and material safety data sheets included in the kit. The master kit contains an orbital sander, heater blankets, and application refill kit, which is made up of the following materials shown on the screen. Operators in possession of only the refill kit will need to have an orbital sander and heater blankets readily available. In all cases, operators will need to provide disposable vinyl gloves, respirator mask, and spray bottle. Prior to applying rain repellent coating, the hump seal and frame must be covered with protective tape. Mask the edge of the hump seal using the 1/4 inch tape as shown. Mask the entire outer surface of the frame using 2-inch tape, making sure to overlap the 1/4 inch tape. Once the protective tape is applied, gloves should be worn throughout the entire application process to prevent contamination of the glass. The windshield should not be touched by bare hands, and gloves should be changed if they become contaminated. Thoroughly wash the glass surface 3 times by hand using the supplied IPA water mix and Soft-Tek wipes. The polishing pad on the orbital sander should be free of contaminants. Shake the polishing compound vigorously and apply a sufficient amount to dampen the pad. Prepare the Cerox polishing compound by adding water per the written procedure. The polishing operation is intended to remove built-up contaminants on the glass and to ensure proper adhesion of the rain repellent coating to the glass once applied. Therefore, only light pressure should be applied. Use overlapping strokes, making sure to treat the entire windshield surface as uniformly as possible. Reapply the polishing compound periodically to ensure that the surface is kept wet. The polishing operation should typically take 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse the faceply with clean water to remove the majority of the polishing compound. Using the Soft-Tek wipes and IPA water mix, thoroughly clean the faceply until all of the polishing compound is removed. Carefully inspect the surface for cleanliness. If there are any signs of residual polishing compound, the glass must be rewashed. Once the faceply has been cleaned satisfactorily, dry with a Soft-Tek wipe. For the application of surface prep solution and rain repellent coating, operators should wear 2 pairs of gloves and a respirator. Slowly pour some of the surface prep solution onto an application pad. Starting at the upper inboard corner of the window, apply the surface prep solution. Using a 4-inch circular motion, work back and forth across the windshield, making sure that each successive row overlaps the previous one. It may be necessary to replenish the pad from time to time. 2 ampules of solution are provided to ensure complete coverage of the faceply. Be certain to treat the entire surface. Discard the application pads. Pour coating solutions Part A and Part B into the mixing bottle. With the cap fastened, shake vigorously. Pour some of the mixed coating solution onto a fresh application pad. With the same technique used to apply the surface prep solution, apply the coating solution to the entire faceply surface. The coating may have a streaked appearance, which is normal. Cover the windshield with the plastic liner. Place the heating blanket on top of the liner. Plug the blanket in and allow the coating to cure for 6 hours. The heating blanket will become hot enough to cause injury, so caution should be exercised. After the curing time has elapsed, remove the heating blanket and the liner. Thoroughly clean the glass surface with the cleaning solution, which should remove any streaks in the coating. In order to assess the performance of the coating, spray a fine mist of water onto the surface of the windshield. Continue until water droplets run freely down the surface. The droplets should be uniformly shaped beads. Irregularly shaped droplets are cause for reapplication of the coating. The month and year the coating was applied should be recorded on the date recoated label, which should be fixed to the inboard side of the windshield near the identification label.